do we often cough? Today, we continue looking at the condition of the body from a psychosomatic perspective. Let us first look at the throat. The throat is the channel of communication. It is also the channel of breathing. The throat is connected to the nose. So, if the nose inhales bacteria, sometimes it may pass through the throat and affect our body. But the question is, bacteria are everywhere. And when the throat has problems, from a psychosomatic perspective, many times it is not only about the external environment or food. It may also be related to emotions that have been suppressed inside the heart for a long time. For example, suppressed anger, grievance, helplessness, emotional knots, and feelings that cannot be expressed. So sometimes a cough is like the body speaking for us. It seems to say, "Stay away from me. I do not want to communicate with you. There is uneasiness inside me. There is dissatisfaction inside me. There are emotions I cannot speak out, especially anger that cannot be spoken, grievance that cannot be spoken. The throat helps us express them." This is especially true for many people who, because of their role, their identity, or their position, find it difficult to show their true feelings. Many words cannot be spoken. Many feelings are not convenient to express. These people are often especially likely to cough, because coughing seems to express the inner suppression little by little. For example, for many years, I myself have had coughing problems. I know that on one level, it is because I speak a lot. I keep speaking. My lungs may also be relatively weak. These are real physical reasons. At the same time, it may also be related to my role. Because in life work, I often hear many secrets. I hear many stories that cannot be told to others, but are very shocking and deeply impactful. I cannot casually share them with anyone. There are also many grievances that I can only slowly carry by myself. When leading a team, A scolds B scolds C, and then A, B, and C may all end up scolding me together. Or perhaps many things are clearly problems caused by other people. But as a leader, I still need to step forward and take responsibility. Although I am very willing to do this work, at the same time, I am still an ordinary person. Inside, there will inevitably be many emotions, many grievances, many feelings that cannot be spoken. So I notice that I really am more prone to coughing, and for many years it has come and gone, sometimes better, sometimes worse, as if no matter how I treated it, it never fully healed. Later, I slowly realized illness of the heart still needs medicine for the heart. So in recent years, I have paid special attention to caring for my own needs. The practices I share with everyone are actually practices I do with myself every day. I allow myself to relax, sit upright, gently close my eyes, take a deep breath. Once again, take a deep breath. I listen to the signals of the body. I listen to the messages of the body. I listen to whether there are emotional knots inside my heart. Is there anything that wants to explode? Is there anything that wants to be expressed but has never been expressed? Are there even emotions that want to scold someone? If there are, then it is worth respecting myself. In a quiet, safe environment, I can express them honestly to myself. This is actually very important, because in this way, the body and mind can become healthier. Otherwise, if we suppress for too long, the body may become more and more exhausted. If coughing continues severely for a long time, it may also be related to pneumonia, lung disease, or even more serious problems. So, if coughing persists, we must seek a medical examination. At the same time, we can also gently ask ourselves, is there something inside my heart that has not yet been heard? The lungs are connected to breathing. Breathing is also connected to our relationship with the world. When we face very difficult situations, very difficult relationships, or very difficult team relationships, we may feel as if we are holding one breath inside, holding back one breath. We may even feel that it is difficult to breathe. So, lung inflammation or coughing may sometimes seem to say, I do not want to speak. I am afraid that once I speak, I will say the wrong thing. I am afraid that once I speak, I will scold someone. I am afraid that once I speak, I will explode. So the body uses coughing to express the anger that has been accumulated. This is also a very good reminder. It reminds us that it is worth caring for ourselves well. At the right time, with the right person we can trust, we can speak about our feelings. We need to learn to be our true self, not only to maintain an image of compassion, not only to maintain the image of a great teacher, because living this way can really trap us, and it can easily make the body suffer. I hope this sharing can bring a little value to everyone. It is also a reminder. Let us learn together to become a more authentic self, a self that is more aligned inside and outside. Let our body be healthier. Let our heart be freer. Okay? Finally, allow yourself to take 2 very slow, very quiet, deep breaths. Take a deep breath. Once again, take a deep breath. Feel the needs of the body. Feel what the organs may want to say to us in this moment. Is there any emotion that has been suppressed for a long time? Is there any feeling we have been pretending not to know? Or perhaps, are there still places where we are living inside our own illusion? All of these suppressions, all of these emotions, they are worthy of our respect, worthy of our empathy, worthy of our embrace. In this moment, we only need to accept them, to see them, to embrace them, to thank them, allow them to appear, and allow every emotion to have its place, to have its value, okay?